Ganesh Chaturthi celebrations. Lord Ganesh has arranged this program. Your peaceful is. He was a message to convey to you, Paul. And it that understanding, remain silent. This process in those who are very keenly interested to understand Srila Bhagavad Gita, I request you can come decide because I'm going to show some chess. You'll be able to clearly understand the philosophy, the deep philosophy in the Gita. I request you people to the center, if it is possible, supporting your convenience and then peaceful sitting and all that. Okay? I request all of you to remain silent, please. Kindly remain silent for 30 seconds. For 30 seconds. For 30 seconds, just think what is the message of Srimad Bhagavad Gita to me. So far, they have not understood the message as directly concerning me. Because we are interested. Where our life has been fine-tuned, we should live happily, peacefully, blissfully, without any intentions, with good health, good creations, wonderful life. Without real belief, human being life is the greatest opportunity to say, Nana Janma Ati Durlabha, or the 84 lakh species, only than a human being who is bestowed with a divine intellect, power of discrimination, power of judgment, power of understanding, power of communicating, power of maintaining good relations, everything. So we were to identify that intellect, input that message. What is the message conveyed by Srimad Bhagavad Gita to me? For 40 seconds. And this is the answer you are going to get in today's presentation, but let us say another 45 minutes. And I was beyond the time. In this, you are going to get a clear message. What is the message around to all of us? Okay? For 30 seconds, we are all maintaining silence. Thank you. Benson, how is Bhagavad Gita connected to Lord Ganesh? Just think understands. The Mahabharata was written by Veda Vyasa, stated by Veda Vyasa, and written by Lord Ganesh. That is the significance. Mahabharata includes Bhagavad Gita astrology. So, what is the most important aspect of Lord Ganesh? He has got a very big head. That is another one. What does it mean? The big head means? Big head means? What does it mean? A person of wisdom. The person of wisdom. Small eyes. Small eyes means look inside. Don't look outside. Just if you are starting looking outside, you will get disturbed. You spend some time, 10 minutes, 50 minutes each day looking inside. So that is eyes. What is the single trunk? That's a single trunk. Ekadanta is, Ekadanta. What does it mean, Ekadanta? God is only one. Focus on that almighty authority. That is a message. And big ears. What are big ears? What does it signify? What does it signify? Listen. Speak, yes. Listen. Because we are not fine-tuned to listen. We always want to communicate by the written. If anybody wants to speak with you, both this area. And that is a message Lord Ganesha is giving to all of us. And what it is, and it is called flexibility. Today people are not flexible. They are very rigid. And basic then plus mind. I am deep. I am grateful. I am holy. I must be happy. No, you're not concerned about that neither. So this is the flexibility study. So we enjoy those qualities for just half an hour to 45 minutes. It's your session. I conduct session for 18 hours. All 18 chapters of the Bhagavad Gita. Okay. Now this is like an essence of Bhagavad Gita, and we take very seriously when the night is going to take a turn into possibility. Okay? Entire Bhagavad Gita contains 701 verses. The first verse is Dhritarashtra Vacha, 41 verses by Sanjay Vacha, 85 verses Arjuna Vacha, and 574 verses Sri Bhagavan Vacha. And by Bhagavan we are praying, Trameva Mata Chapitar Sumeva, Heredity God Father, Allah Akbar, Eight Omkar. Everyone will be God is one by the entire of humanity, humankind of 8.5 billion people on this planet right now. So now the situation is 574 verses. God has delivered consistently Sri Bhagavan Raja. There is no other scripture on this planet which contains these wonderful words, unique words, Bhagavan Raja. Remember, if I am calling God as my father, the father is telling his children a message. The message through 574 verses. Okay. Now, I will put in just 11 words, entire essence of 18 chapters. Only 11 verse. 11 वर्ड 11 शब्द में सारा सारा जाएगा भगवद गीता का। वो तीन ही संगे तो आवाज ज्यादा आ रहा है, थोड़ा साइलेंस करके आपके लिए आप ऐसे समझना चाहिए। Everyone should think that that message is for me, not for my neighbor or for others or for somebody called Arjuna. No. I am the Arjuna. No, that is living the message what I'm supposed to be, what I'm not supposed to be. Check the first 3 words, 3 plus 4 plus 4. In the 3 bases, 3 plus 4 plus 4. The 3 verse, 9 chapter 34 plus 80 the chapter 60 50 verse. Okay, the 3 verse in the first panti is Man Mana Bhava. Man Mana Bhava, what God is telling you to connect me to the mind, not to the body. To connect, to establish a relationship through mind. So man manabal. Man manabo madbhakta vajyabum ram namaskumi. Nami vaishyati rutraivan atmanami vaparayanaho. This is the first point is a man manabala. Bring your mind to me. There are several verses, 26 verses are there. I want you to connect to me through the mind. I tell you another verse. 12th chapter 14 verse. Mayirtita mano buddhi yomad bhakta sametliya. The devotee who connects through the mind is the most dearest to me. God is the way. Now the next 4 words. 3rd words, I am taking you through 18th chapter. Verse number 66. 18th chapter, verse number 66. Please we will attend to it. How many people, how many of you have got some knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita and the raise hands? Anybody has got some knowledge of the Bhagavad Gita? 1, 2, yes, 3. Yes, very nice, very nice. A few people, others will also realize the importance of Bhagavad Gita. So in chapter 66 verse, the word of the first word, Sarva Dharmam Parityajya Nainekam Saranam Vraja. Sarva Dharmam Parityajya Mam Ekam Karanam Vraja. Chipayadava Sarva Dharman Parityajya Mam Ekam Saranam Vraja. So what God is saying, you have to take refuge only on me.
Mam ekam, mam dvoyam, mam prayam nahi. Mam ekam saranam. They're betting on me. I am going to protect you. I am going to protect you. It's giving a promise. So 4 words are over 4 plus 3. The last 4 words. I am taking you the 18th chapter is in the 3rd verse. Nashto moha smriti ladda. Nashto moha smriti ladda. So मोहा नष्ट होने से भगवान का स्मृति आता है. We can remember God only if we remember the attachment to something which is called the body. Because body is not the mind. Mind is within the body. You follow? If first there for 5 minutes a day, forget about that and the body, we have to connect your side through the mind. Okay, Nashto Broha. So this attachment must get English. Then Smruti Ladda. Smruti Mada, you go to remember God, Ladda, very easily. Okay, the 11 goals, the Bhagavad Gita ascends. Now I am going to tell you very clearly what is the mind. We are calling about peace of mind. Everyone calls peace of mind regardless of his religion, regardless of his past, regardless of his religion, regardless of his language, profession, whatnot. Peace of mind. But have you ever understood the concept of mind? Man is the most powerful entity that is a medium who's connecting to God. Peace of mind. Hey, can anybody say peace of body? Nobody has said peace of body. Why? Why do we are calling it as peace of mind? Mandi Shanti. Understand? Okay, what is going to happen when somebody dies? Because we all know come here to clear a role, and once our role is completed, we are going to go away. If I ask to anybody, is your great grandfather is surviving? Nobody is yes, you have passed away. A great grandfather, grandfather, myself, he asked me, father, mother-in-law, father-in-law, all are passed away. So this process of coming and going, this process of coming and going. If somebody is passed away, what will we say? What will we say? May his soul rest in peace. May his soul rest in peace. Also, may his body, may be known as so. Do we lie spine? Do you say mind? Peace of mind, मन की शांति. और क्या कहते हैं? कोई शरीर छोड़ने से, देव त्याग करने से, peace of soul कहते हैं. May his or may her soul rest in peace. But most important thing is, we do not have time to understand the concept of mind, the concept of soul. We are not clear about that. We know about these terms. Mind, we know about the concept of mind, we know about the concept of the soul. But where it is lying, how to actually make myself peaceful, how to actually make myself peaceful. After death, we cannot feel any peace in a departed soul. Are you proud that you can transfer soul? You yourself are peaceless. And you are bringing your own tension, all pressure, all sorts of tensions, job pressure, blood pressure, health pressure, related pressure, all the pressures you are having. How can you give peace to somebody who died? When you are having that much power to give peace to somebody who died, why don't only peaceful? Why are you peaceless? Why are you in the world having the tension, stress and all that? Follow. So that's a very important. There is drawing your attention to that aspect. You have to realize you are the soul. When you say dead body is without soul. When soul lives, we are calling the living body a dead body. Is it not? In the story is we are calling the body, living body, a dead body. When a dead body does not have soul, living body was not a soul. In the common sense, with a logical understanding, living body is made up of physical body, a perishable body, a defective body, and then an invisible, imperishable, indestructible, this invisible body, indivisible, sorry. You follow? Individual. So the soul and body, we are made up of two entities. That is the deepest prime message to all of us. We are not just 124 by 7, 365 days. We just don't spend them only on the body. At the third turning, we are remembering the concept of soul. No. He never be this way. So God is telling, we have to identify here invisible, imperishable, indestructible entity while you are living. Because the soul by itself is peaceful. What is in the Om Shanti we say? Om Shanti means, I am the soul environment of peace. Unless you realize that soul while being, you will never be peaceful. Whatever peace you are getting only from outside sources, that is not constant. That is not permanent. You follow? So now I'm going to show you some pictures. This is only a basic introduction of real world. I'm showing you some pictures. Read the first two pictures. The third one you will. Yes. Just to show to all the audience, when I'm going to explain the verse also. Every picture is based on the Srimad Bhagavad Gita verses. Now I'm going to take you the 13th chapter. Show everyone. That's why this side also. See this picture, kind in, my dear brothers and sisters. So this is you have to solve. God is needing. You are your body. If somebody has taken an X-ray, it is going to look like this. It is going to look like this. It is going to look like this. You take an MRI scanning, X-ray, this is going to be the same. Going to America president also, same thing. This one is very high. Who is embodied? Who has got a body? If we take an X-ray, it will be like this. See the bone, beautiful this universe. We see reverse को क्या कर दिया हमारा स्पारिंग में रख दिया क्या हो गया अभी देखिए इसका साड़ी क्या नहीं उतना खुदेरा साड़ी और 1 lakh rupees साड़ी she is wearing. You are put in the X-ray. What happens? Same is the person, the gentleman sitting like that, like this. I am a great person. But then when once you put in the X-ray, this is what God is telling. You are attached to something which is very, very temporary. The body is temporary. So that is why God in the 13th chapter, first verse, listen to me the verse. Bam sharinam panteya, vetrahikaridiyate, vetadbo vettipantravu, vetrajna, it is tadmidaha. Tadmidaha means the one who is actually interested in realizing the truth. Tattva, tatra veta. That's when we are all like interested in the truth. Not then you are interested in the truth. If the way you are going to spend our time in that, enjoy only when occasions and all that. But can't you enjoy every wonderful life? It's a beautiful life, human being life. That is why he say, this body is discovered as a field. It's a careful a feeler. See with his compass, if somebody has got 100 acres of land, what he will say, I am the field hota hai. I am the field. Does he say, I am the field or he, my field? It's my field. I am not the field. See, my mean, Apundi, ever here, I put in tari, I put in cotton, I put in rice. So many things may say. Here is the case. Suppose after putting on the turkey, never give up means of painting. What he say, mind means of pain. My heart I have undergone bypass surgery. My heart, you never say, I am the heart. My head is paining. My stomach is paining. My eyes, I underwent cataract surgery. My body is aching. My body is looking. Then God is now asking you a question, my dear child, who are you? Who are you? It is delivered word is yours. Who are you? So one who identifies, he is called a Tattvavekta. He is the person who is realizing the truth. Tattva is truth. Okay. Kshetrajna. In this particular voice, God has given a designation. He is a Kshetrajna. Kshetrajna, one who is realized, this is my body. I am not the body, this is my body. Okay? Leave the first two and bring the fourth one. Very easily you can understand that they are not the pictures, so it will tell you the truth only. God is truth. God is an embodiment of truth. If are we in the line, are we following the line of truth? You are not following the line with truth. We are untruth, body truth, you are not getting connected. No, we have to understand the truth. What is the line of truth? Then we can show this. Now this is telling about the impenetrable body. The body like a vasta, like a shirt or dress. Just as we change the breast of the truth dimensions, we change the breast through it, take a U breast. Same in the case, the kshetrajna, the spirit or the soul within the body, it is what is going to happen. This body is going to take the, in the childhood, next is the youth, next is the old age. After old age, what happens? It is going to shed the body. I am not interested in the old body. I can't see, I can't hear, I can't eat, I can't walk. Everyone, I depend on everybody. No, I want a new body. Then one suddenly cleans the body and takes a new body. This is a message. Second chapter, 22nd verse. You can note down and also check up when you remember you are in the Gita books of your house. Rasam Sichinani Yadhadivayo Nadavani Punati Varavotarani Tadasirinani Layatinani Anyani Sangatit Narani Devi Devi Manaso Deha Nanabari Deha Devi. What is one saying? Just as any person changes the dress, a torn dress, over the dress, and takes a new dress, so I, the soul, will shed this old body and take a new body. This means God is communicating a simple truth from this sloka. What it is saying? This soul is imperishable, it is going to revolve. Shedding the body, live in the body, shedding the body, live in the body. Soul is imperishable, body is perishable. Body is visible, soul is invisible. To the next picture. This is about the body, now we are going to talk about the soul. Imperishable, Atma Avinashi, spirit is indestructible, eternal. Now we see, not the first two. First two really. The folding later on you can do it. The folding, but we bring the next one like that only. Don't worry. No, not this one, brother. I told you well, next immediately. Don't spoil the serial. Now what you have taken, I'll just tell you. I'll put it in order. No? So leave it. Next time you can bring it. This is whoever, right? Yeah. This is whoever. This is whoever. Now you bring this one. Kindly pay your attention to this beautiful picture. This is the truth. Whether you accept or not, it is immaterial to God. God is revealing the truth. Every person is comprising of two entities, one is the soul and the body. Soul means imperishable, indestructible, indivisible, invisible, eternal. So, Atma Avinashi bolke dita Telugu chapter. Adhikate, it cannot be, soul is indestructible, it cannot be cut into pieces. It cannot be cut into pieces. It cannot be, one soul cannot be made into pieces. So is the case. This body will burn it to ashes. This body will burn it to ashes when somebody dies in the cremation ground. But, as I body we will not, we want to see. But soul cannot be destroyed. Soul cannot be, by fire it cannot be burnt. Soul cannot be burnt by fire. Okay, same in the case, soul, we are going to clean our body every day by taking bath. In the bath every day, 2 times, 3 times also. But soul, the impurities in the soul cannot be cleansed by water, nor this can be dried through pain. Okay, so this is 4 in Nainam Chindanti Shastrani, Nainam Dahati Payataha, Natayanam Kleurajantyako, Nasoshariti Moritaha. This is a wonderful fact, truth. Everyone has to understand. Take it. Now bring that one, the one which I have thrown out. That one. It's a wonderful, a scientist, a spiritual scientist has made this chart. It is based on science. Kindly see this. Everybody, right from America president to the ordinary beggar on the road, he will have these organs only. There are different organs. For Jains, Tarit and Greek people, any different organs are there? No. Everyone has got the same organ. Now the most important organ is heart. By thus, 90% of the deaths are going to take place through heart attack. हार्ट शायद बोलते ना हार्ट अटैक क्यों होता है तो हार्ट को किसने कंपेयर किया है तो पंप सेट से कंपेयर किया जैसा पंप सेट में एज ए पंप सेट डायरेक्टली मोटर इट इज गोइंग टू टेक वाटर फ्रॉम द वाटर सोर्स रिजर्वायर टू अ प्लेस वेयर देयर इज नो वाटर the pump set. Same is the case, the function of the heart in the same thing. It about 5-6 liters का जो fuel रहता है, the water entire blood it purifies and carries the purified blood to various organs, to the brain, to the eye, to the nose, to the ears, to the leg. Everywhere it carries. But the kidneys, the water quantity it requires. That is a function that is called with the electric motor. Electric motor has got a life of, let us say, 5 years warranty schedule. This motor continuously runs. At least the current electric motor and all that it is going to be stopped after 4 years, 4 hours, 5 hours. It's going to give rest. But this heart has no rest. Heart has no rest. That is why if you want to keep your heart healthy, what we are going to do? What is the symbol of the heart? The symbol of the heart is love symbol is there. Is it not? The symbol of heart is the love symbol. That is why God is giving message, everyone is my child. Do not have any hatred, any animosity, any ego, any jealousy against any other human being. That's the message of God. 9th chapter and 17th verse 6 says, पिताहमस्य जगतः माता दाता पितामहः येजन् परिक्तभूङ्कारः रुक्सामनिधुरेव च. What is pain? Everyone is my child. Yeah, you take care of yourself. I am the father, your child. That's what you want. Like your child, you will tell your child, no? So what do you say? Yes, let's whatever you want, you don't fight. You brothers and sisters don't fight and say. Say God is telling entire Pita Aham Jagataha. Pita Aham Jagata, not Bharataha or not Hindu or Singapore or America. So here you see the brain is a computer, eyes is the camera, ears are the telephone, nose is the center bottle, the bottle cord which I am patting, it is what is given as mic. Okay, the lungs, it is the blower, and the kidneys, the filter, the digestive system, a mixing grinder. Everything is given, the intestines, the roots of the teeth. So why we are not actually focusing on the health? Because we are not identified the ownership of the body. Suppose you have a car of 50 lakhs or 1 crore, what will you do after going to a tour of Tirupati or Bhadrachalam, Sri Sailam? What you do? You come immediately and clean the car. If somebody asks you, what else is up that away? Why are you cleaning your car? It's my car. I bought it only last month. 1 crore. I did it alone. I maintain it and clean. It's my car. Oh, body cleaning. This is your body. The body is not somebody else's. You can just recklessly handle whatever you want to eat, whatever you want to talk, wherever you want to go. No. That is the reason we are now having, everyone has got some health problem. So we are in order to maintain good health. This is my body. I am the owner. So this ownership is not felt so far. Now God is saying, take care. Otherwise the entire world, nobody is doing that. Entire world is full of hospitals, multi-speciality, super speciality, pharma industries, everywhere. Okay? Okay. I got 3 more charts up there. Over kindly. Listen patiently, the God's message from the Bhagavad Gita, Man Mana Bhava. How to connect to understand the last 5 minutes to understand. This is going to be a small meditation also. How to connect to the mind to the Almighty. Next picture. The corner. Oh yeah, next one. Now we are, my dear children, my dear friends, my dear brothers, God is telling. There are 2 categories of people. People who love the tips I want to lead a life of truth. Yes. It's a beautiful life, human being's life. I never want to become sick. I want to lead a healthy, happy, peaceful, blissful, wonderful life. I want to live for 100 years. God has given this body for 100 years. Why did I get all the diseases and all that? So this is the category, the upper row. Here you see the soul consciousness for 5 minutes every day. 5 minutes soul consciousness in your prayer room. 5 minutes become a soul conscious. I am the soul, a peaceful soul, a knowledgeful soul, a blissful soul, the healthy soul. And then deep consciousness flowing. You can improve for 5 minutes, for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, 10, 7 minutes like that. Slowly you can gradually improve. Start it only, even 1 minute also, it's fine. Now you see, is Atma Adhimani, is the soul consciousness, self-respect. Self-respect means once, self-respect, self-confidence, self-realization, self-awakening. The self is called Atma, Atma Adhiman, Atma Vishwas, Atma Jagriti, Atma Bal. So Jesus may is always happy. The person who is self-confident is happy. The next is contented. Today I have no contentment. You will be 100 crores also you have no contentment. How do you get 100 crores? It grew 200 crores. Because you are comparing. That person has got 500 crores. He has got 5 cars. Or what are you 1 car? That to Maruti non-AC. He has got Innova, Fortuner. I have to what? No contentment, Santistata. Contentment is the power what to choose. So all these things you say ultimately what happened? Health is wealth. With no ego talking health is wealth and all that. You are not spending even 1 second to focus. I want to maintain good health. I want to be healthy. Okay. So this is the person. This is the person who is a Deha body conscious. Self-respect, body respect. Ultimately what is harmony? That is the purity. This is the impurity. That is again peaceful. This is krodha, chinta, tension, lodam, ahankara, kama, krodha, lodam, no ahankara, all the negativities. Ultimately, someday, without any no peace, he will go to Apollo hospital, Yashoda hospital, some hospital, ICU में रख दीजिए. डॉक्टर 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 ये हम बचा दीजिए हम 100 कर्म देने के लिए क्या आ रहे हैं अरे एक 100 मिनट देने के लिए आप तैयार नहीं महीने में तो 5 मिनट देने के लिए तैयार नहीं है तो पूरा का पैसा पूरा आप डॉक्टर को दे देंगे हथों को दे देंगे हेल्थ इज वेल्थ इसको ये समझिए देखो ना नहीं तो क्या होता आईसीयू में चले जाएगा. If you want to really understand the quality of life you are leading, take a picnic tour to all corporate hospitals, intensive care units. You will find people of 45 years, 40 years, 45 years, 50 years, struggling to really come out and enjoy life with a brain stroke, kidney failure, heart problem, that problem, this problem. Okay, take off. That's 2 pictures. वो 3 पिक्चर ला लीजिए वो 2 भी इधर ला लीजिए ओ पीछे वो वाला या ठीक है रख दीजिए बस ये तो वही तो जाता ना. What is the verse actually in the period that what is the verse, 3rd chapter 35 3.35 Sriyana Saharne Vidunaha Parabanma Smanitkitat Swadharme Vidanan Seya Paradharmo Bhayavaha. Where God is telling you, at the time of final departure from this body, don't call it a death. It is a normal process. Change in the costume. We will leave one costume, we'll take another costume. That's all. It's not enough death or something like that. At that time, you feel the conscious of your original entity for the soul. Then you'll be very happily you die. Very happily, oh yes, that body is going to receive you. Come from my child. You follow? That should be a state. For that purpose, you should at least practice at least 5 minutes each day. So this is the thing based on 2nd chapter, 62nd and 63rd verse. Everyone is facing tension today. All this tension, own tension, relationship tension, so many problems are there. So many conflicts are there. So many frictions are there. So this sort of life, no, we cannot live for 100 years. This sort of life, no. That is why in the Gita it is said, just listen to the verse, जायते विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशो बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. Ultimately, essence is, if you are not making any attempt to become so conscious, even for 1 minute in a day, you are going to ruin your life, for which, as God, I am not responsible. You have to take the responsibility. तो next one. छोड़ दी, ऐसा छोड़ दी, बाद में कर सकती. अभी दो है ना? ये पीछे वाला, ये वाला, ये क्या? हाँ, ये वाला दिखा दो, ये वाला दिखा. I'm concluding, sir. Kindly understand the very important chart. For 5 minutes, kindly bear with me. So we are not human bodies, body spelling. We are human beings. We are human beings. The being part we are converting. We are thinking we are bodies 24/7, 365 days, entire life, body. But at the time of final departure, we remember saying, somebody dies, he talk about body, he talk about soul. So here, we are made of a body of missing dimension. We are mind, intellect and sanskaras, mandiya और sanskara. So mind, ये body क्या पंच तत्व का है, the 5 elements. और ये 3 है, 3 से 5 और 3 क्या हो गया, आँख हो गया, 8 elements. So we are thinking in only 5 elements. That is why we are ignore the invisible entity, the soul aspect we have forgotten, the 3 missing dimension. In the 7th chapter, 4th class, it is very clearly spelling, Prakriti, the entire Prakriti is the physical theme, is made up of 8 north side. Can you listen to this verse? Dubira puanalo ayu Kammado Buddhirevacha Ahumkaramiti Yammi Dinna Prakriti Astada Aptada. He realized mind, intellect and sanskaras. Okay, now we see where is the soul is residing, where I am residing. I am the soul. It is my body. It is my body. This is my flag. I am not the flag. This is my car. I am not the car. I am the owner of the car. I am the resident of the house. This is the thing. So where I am residing in the Brupatistana, where the ladies are applying the tilak. This is the place. Now I want to see you. Where I will see you? Did I hear your legs and say, brother, what are you? Where are you doing? Why are you not seeing me? No, you will not respond. If I see only eye to eye going by, this is the third eye, your divine wisdom, the soul's eye. Okay, so this is the third eye becomes. So this is actually invisible. Invisible. So this said, for example, electricity is visible, electricity is not visible. You see, like this, the outer coating, the plastic layer and all that, this is the body. Okay, another example, this is the bird, this is the cage. Okay, this is the diamond, this is the box. We have thrown away the diamond. We are only after the box only. I'm little worried about the box only. But we have thrown this wonderful diamond to the owner of the body, which is the soul. Okay. So how many of you are software engineer? Raise the hand. How many of you are software engineer? Very good, software engineers. So this is the software. This is the software. And this is the hardware. The body is the hardware. Pardon. If suppose I want to salute you, I want to salute on August 15th or Republic Day, where I will do like this salute. This is only that soul. Nobody will do like this, nobody will do like this, nobody will do like this. Namaskar, अगर पैसा देगा फिर भी इधर टच हो गया. सब को मेरे आवाज नहीं आ रहा है, स्वीट आ रहा है. Somebody is going to give me a fan. Where I am going to go, I am going to do like this or what is going to do like this. That means I am going. This is the point where I want to be peaceful. This is a soul. Someone in a dangerous situation. Suppose somebody lost promotion. कोई इंटरव्यू चला गया. नहीं तो पांडरी से निकाल दिया. अरे कुछ सीरियस एक्सीडेंट हो गया. कोई डिस्टेंस देयर को. कोई सीरियस प्रॉब्लम हो गया. अप एंड डाउन. अभी रिसेंटली एयरक्राफ्ट क्रैश हो गया. 242 members. नीचे very first वाला 33 members चले गए. एकदम क्या होता है क्या हो रहा है भगवान? What is happening? It is taking here only. Nobody is taking this lecture and shoulder this one. No, this is everything. Padmate, I am the soul. So that ever know like this. So that is the reason. Now God is telling, Alek, my dear children, now this is the last phase of the cycle. Now remember, hold on. Cycle chala. Ele wala. So they should do no. They wala. Now this is the last phase of the cycle. Arvind, this is a pattern and during this, they are never identifying their original entity, not that one. First वाला छोड़ दिए ना, दो छोड़ दिए कहना पहले पहले वाला हाँ आगे बाजी उल्टा बड़ा हाथी गए this is a godly cycle. The Vita says in the 3rd chapter 16th verse, just according to the cycle you have to find through your life. You cannot lead as you are leading always. A real devisor type as it is. You can't change it. Evam pavartitan chaktan nanu vartayat nivaya adayir indriyarana yogam parvasadhir. If you are not transforming according to the Kala Chakra, the CP Chakra, you are ruining your life. Okay? I told you. Now you told this one. तो लाया था ना दूसरा है ये एक्स्ट्रा लाया था इसका पहले और एक भी था ना मैं जो नहीं दिखाया. But yes, sir, last 2 charts are there only in 3 minutes. Later on, another 3-4 minutes meditation by our divine sister Chestam already from Mantumda is the Brahmakumari presentation. Prabhupada gave the 25 lakh people across 140 countries. He identified their inner consciously, daily practice, dedication. We read a good life, respect every man. And then this is that is leading the regulator in the country when they are fighting with the neighbor or there is a conflict within the family. It is not. Be yourself brotherhood. Sarvabhaumik bhaichara bolte hai. Sarve na sukhilo bhavantu. ऐसा बोलते लोका समस्ता सुखियो बोलते ऐसा बोलने से नहीं आएगा. Simply by reciting those things we do not. Now you see, we are fighting for God. Identifying the God is very easy. Identify yourself. Identify on his soul. Everyone is his soul. Now physics 850 crores of people are here. Entire world population is here only. All are souls in their original entity. 850 crore souls. So body also is self. That is why God is called Paramatma. Supreme soul. He is very supreme because he told in the 9th chapter 17th end, Ita Ahamashyat Jagataha. Jagat means क्या है? And by the universe. Now you see, remove it. But despite all these things, all various ritual activities, you are not able to who is God. As I answered, she written Ganesha, he written Vishnu, somebody written Kirtna, he written Yasoda, he written Sansoni, he written something. But then there is none. No. Come out of the re-eaten, come out of the Bayesian, come out of the confusion. Understand it. Clarity based on it. Why I am telling you proof to teeth are in the very. There is one verse in Brihadaranyaka Upanishad 1.3.28. You all know the verse. There are 3 questions, 3 clarifications which a truthful devotee is asking the Almighty. What is its verse? Asatoma Saddunya, Tamasoma Dhyetidanaga, Mrityurma Amritangamila. What are the answers? Where are the answers? Asatoma, I am an Hindu in the world of Andu. Oh God, lead me to the world of truth. This is the world of truth. You are a soul, this is the body. You are not the body. It's Lord thinking you are the body, you are in the world of truth only. You die in the world of truth only. You will not live 100 years because you're all in the tension, speechless. The second clarification is Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya. Tamasoma, darkness. You are living in a the darkness of ignorance. So you are living in a world of ignorance. Surely come on over, give me the knowledge, light of knowledge, and then make me remove my ignorance. The third one is Brichyorna Amrutangamaya. That is the Gita. Brita is the mortal entity. The body is the Mita. And the immortal entity, Amruta, Aglita, Bhuta. There is no luta for the soul of the spirit. That is the being entity of the human being. So that is the knowledge which is given. So for me, the distinction between the mortal body and the immortal entity is the immortal entity It is an earthly body. Chinese soul, this is my body. Now we'll understand the concept of God. So God is the outside point of light. You are also point of light. Jyoti Anasaha Paramuchyate Jnanam Deyam Jnanadamyam Isarvasya Vishkutam. What is coming? I know it's a point of light, you are also a point of light. The only thing is, I don't come into the life and death cycle. That is why I am supreme, I am your father, I know the authority, and entire embodiment of divine virtues, divine powers, and when I am now come down to give you all these, bestow the divine powers and the divine virtues to all my children. So come. Everything is over. Could one more say? I just invite our divine sister, Brahma Kumari Radhyogini. She is the sister, Lakshmi sister. She is the head in charge of the Brahma Kumari Center in Manikanda. She is going to conduct 5 minutes meditation for all of us. I come up, you can wait it down. I am the come. Here are in 35,000 centers. 35,000 centers in 144 countries. The Brahma Kumaris, this knowledge is given in 144 countries. Over 1 lakh foreigners follow this knowledge. Without the spirit has God no religion, the spirit of God no anything, no distinction of the caste or the creed or the anything. The spirit only means I am a human being. All the Indian people are human beings that are vested in the transcend context only. Okay, so this is the message what we understood. Ultimately, I'm going to tell only 2 verses, simple main or settle. One is God is true. Papa, my can master, you can Guru Okay. God is smelling. Very few realize that truth. This truth what God has told that you are a soul and they are not the body. It's very few people will realize. That is the 7th chapter, 3rd verse. Manushyanam sahasretu kaschit yatati siddhaile yatatanati siddhanan kaschinnan veti tattvataha. Based on tatya. Thousands out of thousands, when we make an attempt to understand the truth, when we seek the truth, out of several thousands of seekers, one will eventually realize the truth. More than 20 lakh brothers and sisters have realized this truth. The last verse, now God is telling, I have given the message. You have to develop yourself. You are only responsible for your problems. You are only the deadliest enemy. The soul is going to work as a deadliest enemy if you are not going to realize. Otherwise, if you realize, your soul is going to be a pet friend and helps you to shape your life beautifully. But this is the word from 6th chapter. Here's to us. Daridatmanatmanan Mahatma Vananavasadaye Atmayurasyaatmano Randiratmayvat Rituratminaha Inpananeketru Bandamana Relico. If you recognize the soul while living, that soul will help you climb the ladder, understand the birth, realize birth through militants. If you are ignoring this, when God is feeling, your own soul is going to work like an enemy and dig you in this particular Vaiputal, Kurukshetra, Karnaketra, into a native Dharmuketra, you are going to stride it by keeping it as only Kurukshetra. Okay? Thank you very much. I thank wholeheartedly the organizing committee of the James Carleton Clay Flat Earthers Association, particularly the president Nandita Arjuna Garu, and Aswaptanai Garu, the James Secretary, and other office bearers, and all the key members who are working to make this program very delightful. Thank you. Now listen to me for 5 minutes. Six is going to the same. How to connect one Mahalava, I told you, bro. So nicely tell you how to connect through the mind of the Supreme and next time power. And also what a message she wants to give. Because if all the heck he came at my request, I can address all of you. Okay? Thank you so much. Sarvedana Hasikina Bhavanto. Om Shanti. Now we sit close, sister. Mike of Radiku, everyone does that. Everyone does that. You can go that. ఈ సిస్టర్ 5 మినిట్స్ చెప్తారు, మీరు ఏం పరిచయం చేస్తారా?
मिला जी हमें अच्छे से था जोर दे धन्यवाद में बनाए हमें आपने ऐसे दी अर्जुन ने समझाया है सिर्फ प्रोसेस के जीवा माबू सिलेक्शन था उत्तर बेटा हिंदा दांग
सभी दे सकते उच्चाती वैसे तो हम देश से आप मूवी में आज सोच देंगे मूवी ये रहेंगे और इंटरेस्ट से आप सभी अनाथे प्लस थे ये तो उड़ीसी के साथों की राय कह रही वैसे भी कलिश को खास साथ की आप बात करते क्योंकि हमारे देखने दोगे वो सब मैच होगी इतनी जिनको मिले सकती है तो किन्हों के लिए से वो तो है लेकिन अपने हिंदुओं को ये आप पूरी नाश क्योंकि देव गेली स्पोक क्या ये गेली सॉरी सही से की ऊपर तो वह सीन हमारे लाड़ी के दो दिन आते थे बड़ा अच्छी का साथ देंगे करी सी के आती है ये सब हमारे सभा संस्कार या हमारी मजन से भी आए हैं मुझे कहा गया अपने वो संस्कार करे इधर क्यों करे इससे कार्य क्या दे तो वर्षी मने क्या क्या करे उसको वो क्रिएट कर लिया चेंज कर लिया है क्योंकि अब आपके संस्थान वो रात रह सकते उसको क्या इशारा है ताइशा के अच्छा मार्ग में उसको लगना है तो यहाँ पर तो बार-बार रिलेशन हम ऐसे लेते के आके ही आप सभी जानते हैं ऐसे भी हमारे हैं वो सीखो ये सुनान आए हैं और नासिया को मेरा मपर बनने को सभी तंदे देखे वो काफी दाई देने की आए थी सब जाए गई है तो आप सभी एक बार आई दायित्व मोदी ऐसा दिए कि कल आपको समझाया कि ले आपको मबूल शेरी चाहिए आत्मने शांति तभी ज्यादा समय है कि रिले आपका दीदी बहुत अनरी बोलता है तामोमी एक्सपीरियंस सेरियडी खुश हुए लेकिन अनुभव की अगानती बहुत ज्यादा होते हैं जीवन सुनते में होटल सुनते हैं यदि वो अनुभव देखते हैं वो साथ नहीं जाती है तो आप सभी देरी है अनुभव करने के लिए हमारे साथ हम कब बेरी वो बाहर भी गए चले बच्चे रे अभी भूल गए कुछ साथ रसा गए कि चले गए तो भी कुछ शांत हुआ है देखो बोल लोगों को शांति से निकालना बहुत गलत आए है पदेन एक ही सरकार दे दे आप ये इसीलिए सर जैसे यहाँ पर आत्मा ने कैसा को बताए तो उस आत्मा का फ्लाइट पर आप सभी एक्सपीरियंस है जैसे सुंदर से हुआ करते सभी समरणों से डिटैच होकर के आप यहाँ पर फोकस करते प्रतीक्षण आइकोनी मैंने शाऊ Bumbung tiga dewa ke atmo dunia nalwai macam tergeram lagi. So asoni ere kono asoni ye ni sesu. Terlai da bariyo da seriromo celi ke ne tambo dogun kala. हाँ तो कार के गए तुम की अनमोल दुखा है इसीलिए ऐसी ज्ञान मन बनाना सोल जैसे काय का आपने कहा है ना हमारी आत्मा के कुछ तो इसीलिए से और एक्सपीरियंस है आत्मा मरो बहुत हाई का है यदि ये देख कीजिए लेकिन एक्सपीरियंस है अगर आप चाहते हैं कि रोजेस आपको मेडिटेशन अच्छा लगता है तो रोजेस कीजिए, अदरवाइज टोटलेक्स मेडिटेशन ही हम सिखाएंगे। तो अलर बुक करके घर करके कांच छोड़ के लिए तो यहाँ तुम्हारी सिचुएशन से हिसाब से अपने बन भी हम खत्म करते आपको दो गुटे के बीच चमकता धुआं चेकिंग में सितारे की रूप में रहेगी, उसमें उसे Yore is too soon. Yore kapag too soon. Ano po, Pichi? Is state of vitigruyase? Tuli ke kine ikash nigaraki? Ako buto pikiris. Pai takway. Consistency. It says that says now.
I repeat, maybe. It on the
Silence slowly skikujisby. Oshutsi Diatomic Supping Pavan Modi Sokta Sham Sogu उसी शांति स्थिति में अपने अम्मे की को लागू टीसु अपने फ्रेंड्स को एक डिसिप्लिन्स नीचे यात्नो इस विशाल सृष्टि रागत पर अपना विशेष पाए बजाने के लिए आए हो तो अपने अपने की कांस्टू गाय की इसको यूजर स्टेज में सिप्लिंग परमासला से यूनिवर्सिटी कवंस इससे पीछे अपने इनवाई पावर्स को इलाके में पीछे अपने मन को शांति से रिलैक्स किसी फ्लैग को on शायदी रोज हम ईगो की लाइफ में बहुत बिजी रहते हैं बीच बीच में थोड़ा एक बार तो तक अपने आप तो देखे सर ये किसी के तो वह की कायदा हो मत तो आप सभी को बहुत बहुत बधाइयों को नरेश पतोटी का वो वैसे ही अपनी लाइफ में शांति बना करके रखिए और आगे वाली रीतियों को समाप्त करके मैंने मेरी हमारी शेखता होता है शायद
Gurudev
एक के टाइम एक सप्लाव वहाँ पर क्लासेस शुरू करना चाहते हैं। आप सभी 10 को मार्क्सली कमाए थे रोज रेगुलरली यहाँ पर क्लासेस कंडक्ट किए थे एक प्रॉपर्टी, लेकिन वो अभी रेडी है चले गए। तो शाम के टाइम के अगर सभी आना चाहते, क्योंकि दिस इज फ्री ऑफ फ्री ऑफ मेडिटेशन क्लासेस है, इसकी कोई फीस नहीं है। वो 2 लाख का चाहते हैं कि स्टेहू जो भी जाते हैं उस लैंग्वेज में हम आपको डायरेक्ट दे सकते हैं। वो जो भी आना चाहते हैं आप सेक्रेटरी को वन से तय आप मोस्टली आ सकते हैं, लेकिन साई कब हो गया?
You will share the reader. You can share the you will share the readers. They can plan it. Yeah, so I think
जोड़ी करते हैं पसंद करते हैं सबको ये
Thank you. Thank you very much for your enlightened session. About the ladies season on the big and you have shared a lot of knowledge how you have forbidden work areas and to theory yourself. And I know all the audiences who will try your session. And thank you, audience. You may be able to audience, we really keep it. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dr.